To make India self-reliant, Department of Heavy Industries has initiated creation of technology innovation platforms under the capital goods sector through 6 organizations in their respective field of expertise. HMT is developing the technology innovation platform exclusively for machine tool sector. HMT was founded in the year 1953 with technology as its key strength, acquired from world leaders in machine tools, offers a wide array of high technology machine tool solutions to cater every manufacturing requirement. HMT's wide marketing network and 6 manufacturing units spread across the country in locations like Bangalore, Pinjore, Kalmasheri, Hyderabad and Ajmer meets the highest customer expectations. HMT TechPort is a platform to enhance the technological capabilities of machine tool sector, thereby providing impetus to the growth of the manufacturing sector and overall techno-economic progress of the country through collaboration and sharing of knowledge, expertise and experience amongst the industries, R&Ds, academia, MSMEs, startups, professionals, students, etc. This is the homepage of our existing HMT TechPort. You can check out our portal using the link techport.hmtmachinetools.com. This image depicts the major features of the portal and also explains how the portal works. The user can either be a solution seeker or a solution provider who will communicate with each other through the moderator to resolve a challenge uploaded on the portal. There are some significant features available in the portal to facilitate the challenge resolution process. The infrastructure and services contains the spare capacity details of HMT machine tools unit for the utilization of the user. Any registered organization can upload their available spare capacities on the portal for utilization. We have a repository which contains the database of experts, manufacturing community, funding agencies, facility providers, third-party specialist service providers, and resource capacity. We have a commercialization menu for the user to commercialize his products and services. The project corner is exclusive for the students. A registered user can avail the opportunity to do a project on free of cost in any one of the HMT units. This image depicts the challenge resolution cycle which acts as the heart of this portal. The first step of the process is the user have to register himself in the portal. The user can post a challenge on the portal which will be reviewed by the moderator and published on the portal. The solution providers will express their interest against the posted challenge. The EOIs will be reviewed by the moderator and shortlisted by the solution provider. The selected solution provider will submit a solution in 3 phases: incubation phase, proof of concept phase and prototype phase. The final solution submitted by the solution provider will be evaluated by the solution seeker and the moderator. Based on the solution submitted, the solution provider will be rewarded by the solution seeker. The challenge status will be considered as closed and the same will be updated in the portal. The relevant documents of the challenge will be archived in the repository of the portal. There are 27 mother technologies under the capital goods sector identified by the Department of Heavy Industries, some of which are Ultra Precision Machining, Industry 4.0, Internet of Things, Nanotechnology, Water Jet Cutting, 3D Printing, etc., which will act as the focus areas of the portal. HMT is launching an advanced version of the platform under the name Surge in association with Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, which will have more enhanced features. Thank you for joining us and we request you all to become a member of the Surge platform and avail the facilities.